Hello, and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off those red underlines in Word, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Step 1. The red underlines appear when Word detects a spelling or grammar issue. If you'd like to address these underlines one by one, you can simply right-click on the underlined word. From the menu, hover over Spelling or Grammar, and you'll have the option to fix the issue or ignore it. But if you want to completely turn off the red underlines, here's how you do it. First, click on the File tab in the top left corner of your Word window. Then scroll down to the bottom of the menu and click on Options. Step 2. In the Word Options window, look at the list on the left-hand side and select Proofing. This is where all the settings related to spelling and grammar are located. Now, to turn off the red underlines, uncheck the boxes that say Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. Step 3. Once you've unchecked these boxes, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And just like that, the red underlines will disappear from your document. Now, Word will no longer highlight spelling or grammar issues as you type, giving you a cleaner workspace to focus on your content. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.